This is stock number 127589, a 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 regular cab, four-wheel drive. Exterior color is silver. For your options, you have manual windows, mirrors, and locks, driver lumbar support, light controls, cruise control, stereo controls, and hands-free communication. Comes equipped with OnStar, AM/FM radio with CD player, auxiliary capabilities, climate controls, traction control, trailer brake, four-wheel drive controls. Your center console doubles as a seat. Upholstery is cloth, color is ebony. It comes equipped with 17-inch rims and mud flaps, trailer tow package. Once again, this is stock number 127589, the 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 regular cab, four-wheel drive. Exterior color is silver.